another protozoan disease of amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is also known as amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery. It is caused by ant amoeba histolytica. Caused by ant amoeba histolytica. Caused by ant amoeba histolytica, and which is found in the large intestine. It is found in large intestine के अंदर ये नॉर्मली प्रेजेंट होता है. That is transferred through the housefly. That is transferring agent or vector housefly. Housefly के थ्रू ये ट्रांसफर होता है from feces. Housefly can transfer to human feces to the food and other eatable product, and again that will be transfer from release from the human being through the human feces matter, and again transfer. In this way it can be moved from one place to another place, or one person to another person. What is the symptoms? Symptoms of amoebiasis, that is of constipation, constipation is the symptoms of abdominal pain, abdominal pain, then cramp, then facial matter with mucus and blood, excessive mucus and blood at severe condition. So constipation, abdominal pain, cramp, facial matter with excessive mucus and blood is there. These are the symptoms of ant amoeba histolytica, means amoebiasis. And whenever on this facial matter housefly will stay, and these infective agent attach with the legs of housefly. Whenever we transfer or move from that place to our houses, it transfer the these causative agents. So we have to wash our food before cooking. We have to maintain the personal hygiene also. In this way we can prevent this type of disease. Another type of disease, that is of helminthic disease. Helminthic disease that caused by the Ascarimenthes and Nementihelminthes group, that is of helminthic disease. First is of Ascariasis. Ascariasis, it is caused by Ascaris agent, causative agent, Ascaris lubricoides is the causative agent of Ascariasis. It is intestinal parasite. It survives in the human intestine. The Ascaris is normally dimorphic in nature, that is male and female is of different, and normally it is present inside the human intestine. It is also known as roundworm, that is of Ascaris. The symptoms of Escherichiasis. Symptoms: internal bleeding, internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, blockage of intestine, means whenever this series present in high amount inside the intestine, that block the human intestine also, and internal bleeding is there. So these are the different symptoms of escherichiasis, and that is transferred through the by eating of different food materials without washing. बिना धोए सब्जी को, फलों को अगर खाएं तो उनके साथ ये सोइल के थ्रू ये ट्रांसफर होते हैं, और सोइल में इनके एग्स रहते हैं, that will be enter in our body, and where we in this way we can affected from the escherichiasis. Another types of helminthic disease, that is of elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is caused by causative agent is of Wuchereria, Bancropti. Wuchereria bancropti is the causative agent of elephantiasis, and Wuchereria malayi is a causative agent of elephantiasis. Is this causative agent, that is Wuchereria bancropti and Wuchereria malayi, that is transferred through the vector that is of Culex mosquito. It is transferred through the Culex mosquito, and the symptoms of escherichiasis, chronic inflammation, in lower limbs, in lower limbs, where it lives for the longer duration, especially lymphatic nodes of our lower limbs, that is of feet, that can be swell up and looks like elephant feet. That's why it is known as elephantiasis. And it is also deform the lower limbs and genital organs also, and it is transferred through the Culex mosquitoes, and the main causative agent of Wuchereria bancropti and Wuchereria malayi. Another type of disease which is caused by the fungi. We can study some other disease that caused by the fungi or fungal disease, that is of ringworm. Ringworms, it is caused by the different types of fungi, that is Macrospermum, Trichophyton, and Epidermophyton. These are the different types of fungi which cause the ringworm. If we see the symptoms, that is of dry and scaly resins, scaly lacins on the different organs of the skin, different various part of the body on the skin. Dry and scaly lesions on various part of the body on the skin is seen the main symptoms of ringworm, and that is of intense itching, intense itching, intense itching is there, continuously itching होती रहती है इनके अंदर, और itching करते करते bleeding भी हो सकती है. तो main symptoms is dry and scaly lesions with the intense itching. These fungi we affected from these fungi by the soil. Specifically, these fungi present in the soil. Whenever we contact with the soil or infected person, we are affected from that ringworms, and they require that heat and moisture for their growth, and that both the heat and moisture is available on human body, and they grow on the skin and develops in the form of disease. So again, that is personal hygiene is remove these type of diseases. What are the preventive measures of infected disease or infectious disease? Preventive measures of infectious disease. क्या क्या किस तरीके से how we can prevent the from the affecting of different types of these type of diseases. First one is of personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. Through the personal hygiene, we can protect our body, just like keeping body clean, taking proper food, clean water, that include in the personal hygiene. Proper food, clean water, vegetables and fruits including personal hygiene. Second one is of public hygiene. Public hygiene meant just like proper disposal of waste, by proper disposal of excreta, cleaning or disinfection of the water, that is of include public hygiene. Next, eradication of vector. Eradication of vector and their shelters. So we have to eradicate their vectors, that different type of mosquito we cannot affect different types of disease. Used mosquito repellents, that is creams and mosquito nets, etc. Use antibiotics. If we are affected from the such type of disease, we have to use antibiotics to cure the disease, different types of disease. So these are the different infectious disease, and how we protect us from disease by the personal hygiene, keeping body clean, proper food, taking food, proper cleaning water, public hygiene, proper disposal of waste, disposal of animal excreta, proper cleaning of water, keep surrounding clean also, एरेडिकेशन ऑफ वेक्टर, अगर वेक्टर को इरेडिकेट किया जाए, मॉस्किटो रिपेलेंट्स का यूटिलाइज किया जाए, मॉस्किटो क्रीम्स, और if we are affected from diseases, we also take the medicines, antibiotic and other. So in this way we can prevent us from the types of diseases.